Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add volume profile in NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to open up your chart right here. Unfortunately, I don't have my account connected yet, but it's as simple as opening up the chart window on your NinjaTrader. From here, you then want to click on the indicators button. And basically, you then want to proceed to the search button in which you have to search for volume profile. In here, you have two types of charts or indicators, which is going to be the order flow profile or the volume profile. If you want to edit this out, you can just double click on it and it will then be taken to the configured category on which you have the ability to edit out the parameters or the properties like opacity, draw lines, line color, and more. Just click on apply, click on OK, and then you have successfully added the volume profile in NinjaTrader. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.